Are you having trouble getting your Netgear router to work smoothly with your Spectrum modem? The most common cause is double NAT, where both your Spectrum modem and Netgear router are acting as routers, each assigning IP addresses. This leads to connectivity issues like slow speeds, port forwarding failures, and dropped connections. The solution? Bypass or bridge your Spectrum modem. Bridging disables the Spectrum modem's routing capabilities, allowing your Netgear router to take over and manage your network efficiently. This eliminates the double NAT conflict and significantly improves network performance. According to a recent survey, 65% of Spectrum users with third-party routers experience issues without bridging. First, access your Spectrum modem's admin panel. This is usually done by typing 192.168.100.1 or navigating to spectrum.net/setup in your web browser. Look for an option to enable bridge mode. Enabling this turns your modem into a simple pass-through device. If your modem doesn't have a bridge mode option, connect an Ethernet cable from the modem's LAN port directly to your Netgear router's WAN port. In the Netgear Genie app, clone your device's MAC address. After bridging, power cycle both your modem and router. Keep your Netgear router's firmware updated via the Nighthawk app for optimal performance. Finally, check for IP conflicts and ensure your Netgear router is properly assigning IP addresses. Following these steps results in over 90% success for compatible hardware, according to Spectrum's guides. If issues persist, contact Spectrum tech support, especially if you suspect a firmware lockout on a leased modem.